Okay, this was a bit dramatic. Before you say anything, I did not burn my house down. In fact, everything was actually going smoothly until I got distracted by the camera, and before I knew it, something was burning. Let's just go back to how it all began. Hey guys, how you all doing? I hope you're alright. So, did you notice anything different when you clicked on this video? If you did, let me know in the comment section below. And no, it is not my kitchen. Well, actually, this is my kitchen and this is the first time I'm filming here, but this is not what I'm referring to at all. So keep the guesses coming. And if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm Scholastica. I make videos about nursing in the UK generally, but now I'm going to be making more lifestyle content like this because guess what? I just made $1.85 and I am so happy, so excited, so motivated. And guys, this wouldn't have been possible without you all. Thank you so much for your views, your shares, your comments, and most of all to my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and clicking that notification bell. Thank you so much for all the love I've received. I love you guys. So guys, I've been in the UK for almost 2 years now, and I've always wanted to make a British dinner. I go out, I eat out, and I order British food, but I have never cooked a British meal in this house, and I've been like wanting to do this forever, and I've been postponing it. So I just gathered the courage this morning and I was like, come on, just do it. What is the worst that could happen? So after doing all my research, I decided to make the full English breakfast because it was the cheapest, the easiest, and I can take it off my bucket list that I made a British meal in my kitchen. So guys, let us get cooking. So guys, in the next couple of weeks or months, I'm going to be doing random videos like this. So don't be alarmed if you see videos about hair tutorials or travel vlogs or just general daily vlogs. Don't be alarmed. That does not mean I'm going to stop posting nursing in the UK content. In fact, far from it, I'm still going to be doing that. I just feel like I should broaden my expertise and test other waters. So guys, I hope that you guys will stick around and enjoy this journey with me. I am very serious about sharing all the adventures I have here in the UK with you guys, and this is just a part of it. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop more videos. Guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I did not mess up. If you are British and you are watching this video, please have mercy on me. Before you crucify me, please know that this is my first time trying to make this, and even though I burnt the sausage, also know that it was not intentional. I did not intentionally burn the sausage, and if I am to rate myself, I think I actually did a pretty good job. But let me know in the comment section if you think this is nice, if you think I did a good job, or if you think I could have done better. Please let me know. For everyone guessing about what I was talking about in the beginning of the video, if you've not gotten it yet, let me let you know. Yes, I am monetized. I got monetized recently, and yay, I'm so happy. Finally, I can call myself a YouTuber. All right guys, it's breakfast time.